Today I'm going to show you how to make this boot remover. Hi, welcome to Renovate Innovate. After the last video we've done where we used some offcuts, when we made this meter of beer, we decided, we've got loads of offcuts around, let's make another project. We also decided this would be a great Father's Day present, so this is where this idea, a real simple woodworking thing to do. You could have a go at making one yourself, or you could buy your dad the materials to do it. You can buy offcuts of oak just about anywhere. Real simple thing to have a go at. Watch this video and we'll show you how to do it. Right, so here we are, we're just getting our router ready, 1/2 inch router with our with a big flattening off milling bit on there. We're using the jig that we've used before. It's a great way of getting a flat surface on there. And yeah, straight to it, flattening it off. We were fortunate there wasn't too many bows in this piece of timber, so we were able just to hold it flat, get it and then flip it over and then run over again. Nice parallel surface ready to cut out the shape of our boot remover. Yeah, so we've got the template, we made it out of cardboard first, made sure it was all right. And we used the technique again that we've used before, where we just folded a sheet of paper in half, drew on the shape, unfolded it, and then we've got a perfectly symmetrical shape, which is what we wanted for the boot remover. There you go. Unfold it, stick it on your piece of work. You could glue it down or whatever, but it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect for this, so we're okay just to draw around it, just roughly by hand. Got the centre line on there as well. We'll need that because we're going to put a few grooves in there. The grooves are just to give a little bit of grip when you put your foot on there to help remove the boot. So we've got them parallel lines on there, got them marked up already. And there we have plenty of wood there. We could make a couple of them. Yeah, we attempted with a bandsaw, but this blade was a little bit too wide, so we started off on this and then we finished off just with a hand jigsaw. Over to the bobbin sander just to finish it off. Not everybody's got a bobbin sander, of course, but you could just hit it with some paper glued to a cylinder and sandpaper glued to a cylinder, and that'll give the same effect. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah, then after that, we made a little jig very similar to our flattening off jig, just for the little palm router to run through. We've got a V-groove bit in there, and we're just running it down those parallel, perpendicular lines that we've got on there. Quite straightforward, nice and steady away. And there we're just doing those just to give a bit of grip for your foot or your boot as you're taking off your other one. After that round over bit we put on there, flew it around the top of the boot remover. Final sand, and went through the grades, through the grits again. Got a nice finish on this. Again, top and bottom, I gave it a sanding. Oh yeah, I had to clean out a few of those little grooves. Let's give them a sand. Then we made a little stand for it. Just masked off so we didn't get any mess from the glue, so put it on. We decided to glue and screw it. Pre-drilled. So when that was glued and screwed, of course we recessed the screws a little bit as well, just to hide them so you don't see them, so that they can't make a mess of the floor or whatever. And straight on then, a gloss varnish spray, and we hit that with about, I think, 4 coats. We gave a little really light sanding in between. And then left it, and that's the finished article. Right, so that was it. That's how we made our boot remover. Real simple, fun little project for us. Really simple for someone to tackle themselves. We've made this with an offcut of oak. You can make this out of anything, a bit of pallet wood you've got lying around, just about anything. Doesn't have to be a beautiful thing, but just gets you having a go, using a few tools and making something. We've got some more projects similar to this on the channel that we've already done. We've got some coming up as well. We've got a little brother or sister project to go with this, so come back and check that one out. And yeah, we hope you've liked this video, and if you have, please like, share and subscribe and comment below. We'd love to hear what you think about it, and if you've had a go at making one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.